Alright you guys, today's wig is from Wowigs hair. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at this packaging. This is gorgeous packaging. The inside of the box looks like this, and they just give you a little pamphlet with hair care tips, their social media, all that good stuff. And inside we get this beautiful silk bag with their logo on it. Well, first things first, I see are 2 headbands. So they gave me this. They gave me like a Christmassy type headband, and then they gave me this mustard yellow headband. I love both of them. It comes with a tag. It says 100% virgin human hair, and this is in 20 inches, and the wig is so nice and soft. Oh, absolutely. Also, this color is everything. This is gorgeous. All right, so on the inside it comes with 4 combs, 1 at the top, 2 at the sides, 1 in the back. It doesn't come with any adjustable straps, and of course it has the headband strap. All right, so we're gonna get to working on these edges. I'm gonna use my go-to products for whenever I'm laying my edges for my headband wigs. I use the Murray's Edge Wax in Extreme Hold, and I also use the Got To Be glue. Yes, the glue. Because girl, I be going to the gym and this has my edges slicked down. They won't move, okay? So I start off first with the Edge Wax. Alright, when you're done with that, you're just gonna go with your brush and make sure you brush it all in. Now that we have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my baby hairs. Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. And now we're gonna go in with our Got To Be glue. At the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you. Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. All right, now you're going to swoop your baby hairs into place. But when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question if I ever. All right, now we're going to use my hair dryer and we're going to dry it into place. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on my wig cap. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll. And now to apply the beautiful wig. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is such a pretty wig. With nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. Alright, so this is how we're looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some product in it because the ends are a bit frizzy. I'm just gonna go in with 2 things, some water and the Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls pudding. I use this in my natural hair and I love it, so I feel like it'll go good with this hair as well. So I'm gonna start off by just dampening the hair. I'm really focused on the ends, not so much the top because the top is already defined. And first I'm gonna go through it with a wide tooth comb. And I'm gonna go in with this comb to really get out any possible tangles and define the curls. Now I'm gonna go in with some Bouncy Curls pudding. I'm gonna start off with a little bit and try to disperse it as evenly as possible. I'm just gonna scrunch it and let that air dry on its own, and we're gonna focus on this side. Into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you. Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you.
There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep.
So that's how the ends are looking. The top doesn't need anything. The curls are already pretty defined up top. I just wanted them to be more defined at the bottom. So now I'm gonna let this air dry while I go do my makeup, and then I'll be back with the final look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I did my makeup and I actually put on their headband. I absolutely love this headband. It is so cute. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the 20-inch honey blonde highlighted curly hair headband wig, and it is absolutely beautiful. 20 inches falls about bra strap length for me. This hair is really nice and full and soft. It was soft straight out the packaging. That's one of the first things I noticed. Not to mention the packaging is really, really nice. I always love when companies send me silk bags because I love being able to store my wigs back in here when I'm done. And that just helps keep the hair protected, and it doesn't strip the hair of any moisture. As y'all saw earlier, I used water and my curl pudding to just kind of define the ends so that they weren't frizzy, and it definitely worked. And I just let it air dry, and they are definitely more defined and cohesive than they were when I first took it out the pack. I absolutely love the highlights and the colors. Like I said before, I told you guys I am stocking up on my headband wigs so that when I get back to school, I don't even have to worry about a lace front, okay? I will be wearing headband wigs, especially because I work out every day. It's just a better alternative for me. But yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below, as well as the link to this hair. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.